we've got several different freelancers that have got a large Wikipedia contributor kind of license there that they're able to edit and move out anything that's factually incorrect.
The biggest thing when it comes to Wikipedia repair or Wikipedia reputation is the Wikipedia page reputation repair. So in some cases, people do get trolls for whatever reason, making like edits on their Wikipedia page, or it happens a lot to politicians, for example, where people just go in, make tweaks, and it's not actually factual. And in some cases, you will need a Wikipedia person to actually repair your Wikipedia page. Now, let's go through some things that we've done in the past, James, that we can basically help for other people as well.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, over at FatRank offices in Dubai, we've got several different freelancers that have got a large Wikipedia contributor kind of license there that they're able to edit and move out anything that's factually incorrect. So what they're able to actually do is if someone's that started to put certain things that's got a negative stigma on a specific page about the corporate brand or about a personal brand, they're able to edit that out. So there's certain ways of what you can do. If some information is correct, but it's got a negative stigma, you can try to change the story online. So there's certain techniques where you can start creating some guest posts on the internet that try to then start to say about this information being factually incorrect, and that there's certain people online that are proactively going out to troll this specific brand or person. And then what you can then start to do is you can then start to get the contributor to then look at that, and then they say, this ambiguity here, we're not certain whether this is right or wrong, so maybe we shouldn't have it on. And then they'll take the information off the Wikipedia page. And that's obviously repairing your reputation that's on Wikipedia.
Yeah, so the biggest thing when it comes to Wikipedia repair or Wikipedia reputation is the fact that there always has to be a source. So if, let's say, for example, James has a Wikipedia page and on his Wikipedia page it says he owns 65 companies, there has to be a source. So if you don't have those sources, if you don't have those guest posts, those power posts, those articles on other websites, Wikipedia is kind of like, well, is it true? Is it not true? So you always need to back facts up with articles. And that's where our team basically comes in. So we're able to actually feed Wikipedia what it wants, where it comes to power posts, when it comes to guest posts. If you're trying to put a spin on something, that's where our team basically can come in and write some articles and say, like, yes, this is actually true. And then we can basically pass that information to our Wikipedia contributors, and they can basically add that into your Wikipedia page. Now, if this is something that you're maybe struggling with, maybe you've got some trolls, maybe you've got some haters, maybe your brand's not well liked, or maybe you just want Wikipedia help, head over to fatrank.com. Our team will be able to check your brand, your Wikipedia page, and we can basically give you some suggestions on if we can help, and we can guide you in the right way. So head over to fatrank.com, fill in the contact form, and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching.